This Fayleeko combination lock is a 4-digit lock that's sold on Amazon. It's one of the best sellers actually in Amazon's lock category. And you get 2 of them for $7 right now. So it's a really popular option. If you are trying to figure out how to change the combination or use the lock from when you first get it, this is the video for you. So first of all, here's the lock as it shows up. The default combination is not really clear, but it's 0000. So if you get the lock and the first thing you do without looking at it is just start to twist it and you're confused, the default combination is 4 zeros. So spin it to 4 zeros and it will open. If you need to change the password, which I would recommend you do, instead of keeping it on 4 zeros, you're going to open it up until it's free spinning. Now, see this little notch right here? You're going to pull this piece out and wait till you see this little tab. This little tab, that's this piece right here. Line it up with the notch and now push it down. It'll spring down about a 1/4 inch, maybe right around there. You will have to hold it down. Now you'll be able to spin this to put your password in. We'll change it to 1111. Slightly better than 0000. Then you let it go. And now we will change the combination. Doesn't lock, okay? So now 1 1 1 1. It locks. Works as expected. It is fully locked. Can't open it up. And now go back to all ones. Make sure you have it lined up. There you go. Opens as expected. And if we want to change that password again, you're going to go here, push it down. We'll change it to 21111. Lock it. All ones does not work. Put it on 2 and you're good to go. So pretty simple, but in case you forget or you lost the instructions or you just don't want to read the instructions, this is how you change the combination and start using your Fayleeko lock from Amazon. Thanks for watching.